from full of potential to overflowing with product. Come check it out. 2018, Rick from Jericho, here we go. So you saw the picture last week of our empty greenhouses. That's all changing, started changing this week. We're showing off some of our new wares, from this stuff here to this stuff, beautiful stuff, these little flower things. We just got some really cool stuff, some solar things that are really cool, but even cooler at night. Hard for you to see that. Maybe the website will find something that we can show them to you. They change colors. That's really special and fun. 2 new old pics of butterflies and dragonflies. Again, some solar stuff that just lights up at night and the colors change. So just a dabbling of what's coming, and it's just getting started. So 2018, more people than ever are going to be starting and growing their own vegetables. This is where you start. From your trays to your inserts to your humidity Hermadome, I think we fought with what that's called last week. This thing that covers the top to keep your humidity up around your seedling, or the tall one as your seedlings get taller. And then the 2018 seed, you saw the empty rack at Alameda. It's probably still up here somewhere. That's 120 pockets. We're going to fill that up, so Alameda will have 120 more varieties of Lake Valley seed than they've ever had. We are planning and prepping for more people planting seed this year than ever before. As you can see, we've got our first shipment of pharmaceuticals. This is what we help you control diseases and bugs, all of those things with. We have anything from really toxic kill anything to very organic and safe. We can get you anywhere from step 1 to step Z. Do it all for you. Everything is new and bright, from cyclamen for this time of year. So some winter color, some ranunculus and primrose you saw last week. Cool cork mats, and around every corner we have something new. Kind of fun, decorative, so your fancy new pot would show off on a fancy new cork mat to keep your furniture from getting damaged. Both of those, kind of cool, really cool mosaic pot. So we're just getting started, guys. There's lots more to come. Just again, showing off some of the fun new stuff. Remember, our first seminar's tomorrow. Kyle Clem is an expert teacher we found out last fall. He was at Think Trees Conference learning even more to help you do a better job in your pruning. So sign up. Limited space available at both stores. We still have room. 10:30 at Alameda, 1:30 at Osuna, on how to prune. It's gotten cold enough. Pruning is right now. What's all the rave this year is succulents, and our grower is now growing a dozen different types. This is just a sampling. We're selling 4 or 5 flats of these a week and getting new ones in every Friday. So we have a great selection of succulents. And the ever popular aloe vera, health benefits, cleans toxins out of your home. You can eat this in shakes. Some people do that. You can definitely use it on sunburns and cuts. Lots of medicinal uses for aloe vera. Okay, so you can buy one of these. You hook it to a little bottle, a water bottle, a 2-liter Coke bottle. The clay actually pulls water through. If you got a plant that's hard to water, I've got a couple I've got to do something with. You can do these plant nannies, or just leaving town, you want to take care of it for a while. But what's up and coming, kind of fun and fancy, this one, a little better, prettier. I've had these for a while, but this is new this year. This is its nice, pretty package. So we have these cool little self-waterers that are in shapes, right? A mushroom, a bird, a snail. So kind of a fun twist to a little self-water, little help in your houseplants, and attractive at that. Got new houseplants coming in. They should be here in the week or so. Again, we're just getting ready. You saw what's indoors. Outdoors will come. We'll be coming with more videos as more product shows up outside. So I forget something every week. I can't forget this. We're having our 3rd annual job fair, February 11th, 9 a.m. at the Osuna store. We hire for attitude, we train skill. We want friendly, happy, lucky people that want to be in the industry, want to be part of who we are. We're a great team. We hope you'll want to join us. To even begin to think about joining us, you have to be at this job fair, February 11th, 9 a.m., Osuna location. So thanks for watching today. We are here. It's 2018. It's January. We've got the time to spend with you. We have a landscape design service. We'll help you with that. Get a discount for the month of January, buying plants off your design. We are your experts. We're local. We're independent. We're 13 years in business. Please come see us. We know what we're talking about. We're here to help you. We want you to be successful. That'll help us be successful. Thanks again for watching.